हँसाउँछ फेरि मलाई क्या
My tired feet, my tired feet, my tired feet, oh my tired feet. My tired feet brought me to that red boat, so still in foreign waters. And although I've never been here, oh, although I've never been here, I know that here I've swam before. Oh, well, here I've swam before. And soon I came, oh, so soon I came. Soon I came, oh, so soon I came. Soon I came.
My name is Roger Ramsar. My business, Offerings Wholesale, is a global distribution network of handmade goods based out of Northern California. Offerings seeks to cultivate global connection and creativity throughout all of its actions and every day. This is Nasreen Sheikh. She is an amazing micro-entrepreneur that I met while traveling with my business partner, River Jensen, in Nepal during the summer of 2012.
The village I come from is very dark and very isolated and without having any human rights. That is the place where I born.
This is Local Women's Handicrafts, Nasreen's all-women fair trade sewing collective. LWH focuses on teaching working skills to women who come from oppressive circumstances and in some cases seeking protection for themselves and their children.
That is what we are. That is what actually we are.
Nasreen's goal for LWH is to train and support these women in a progressive environment. At LWH, they can not only earn a living wage, but also walk away from the collective with skills to further them in an independent life. Currently, LWH is comprised of almost 30 women, learning, working, and supporting each other in a cooperative business model. Last year, Nasreen became the first in her conservative Muslim village to deny her forced marriage. In doing so, she is under daily threat and intimidation by not only choosing to stop the marriage, but also by holding a space for women seeking similar self-reliance.
With these kinds of ideas and with these kinds of feelings, I should able to help all these women who is having such a hard life, such a slave life, such a don't have any kinds of human rights in their life. So I really wants to stop this forced marriage. I really wants to make them let all the girls have the choice, at least to say that they don't want this.
In 2013, people from all over the world came together to support Nasreen and LWH by purchasing some land in Nepal and raising funds to build a self-sufficient sanctuary to better support their cause.
And then one day all these women will have independence, and then because of them their dream is opening, their eyes is opening and their mouth is opening and they are able to speak out because they have confidence on themselves. And this is something we just tried, and all these people came together and made it happen. It is huge for us, and I feel sometimes that miracle. This is just a miracle.
We need your help to finish this project. Every day, Nasreen has to turn away women who are seeking what LWH has to offer. This sanctuary, when finished, will serve to build the foundation of a progressive women's rights movement in Nepal that is gaining support and momentum every day.
When Raja and River, when they posted me that you are going to have Indiegogo, I have no idea what is Indiegogo. I was thinking, is that something song or something like Indiegogo? And then finally he sends me and it was all the descriptions. And then that day I had big feelings in my heart that, oh my god, this Local Women is really going to going to be big, our dream is really coming true, everyone is supporting us.
Your donation goes directly to supporting this movement. You are making a difference and it will be felt in their world. I have designed a beautiful limited edition art piece that is hand-screened onto handmade paper as a statement of support to the struggle of LWH. This is available for the donation of $100. The campaign is set up to accept donations starting at $1. The energy and cost of donating this dollar ripples through lives and through the world. It is with connection, love, and encouragement we can reach out as a global community to support each other in our pursuit of joy. You can read articles about Nasreen in both Forbes and Cosmo in the description below. In addition, Offerings has taken on documenting her story and the story of LWH for a feature-length film. With just a tiny bit of support, we can continue to build this dream. Thank you.